Everyone, for today's project back with my deck. Today we're looking at the Bicycle Factory 52 deck. Now, this is one that was originally released in 2023 in a very limited, very small quantity, which it annoyed me, at least at the time. Now, this was released to celebrate the opening of Factory 52, which is a new entertainment hub built into the original USPCC plant in Norwood, Ohio. And they turned it into this whole entertainment venue with you can eat, drink, and play, shop. You can play games and shop, and it's kind of cool. And so they released that deck to commemorate that, I guess. I remember the deck came out and went to the website to go buy it, and they were sold out. And I'm like, what? Sold out already? Because that never happens. They never sell out of anything, so it's very limited. They reprinted it, and it has a new seal on it. I just don't understand why anyone would print something so limited, why Bicycle would print something so limited, where you're just going to piss people off. And then, of course, people are reselling it on eBay for like $150. It's like, no thank you. It just seemed to benefit resellers more than anything. I get releasing a deck to celebrate the opening of that, but make it available to whoever wants, don't limit it. Anyway, the top case is a nice matte stock, some gold foil, says Bicycle Factory 52, it's got like a clock on there. I believe that's a reference to the clock on their factory building or something in Norwood. It says United States Point Guard Company on one side, Erica's and Finis, made USA on the other side, nice foil throughout, Factory 52 on top, and copy on the bottom. And in the back is the back design, which is a rider back. And it's got a Cincy 2025 Cartopia seal. This was an exclusive, I believe, I guess it's not exclusive to Cartopia, but maybe. Anyways, I don't believe it's exclusive, but it has that Cartopia seal on it. Of course, they held it in Cincinnati at Factory 52, I believe, this year. You get a ad card information on Factory 52. The back design is a rider back in blue with gold borders. It's gold on blue with gold borders. It's an interesting color combination. It's not my favorite. And obviously, typical USPCC, this card is not centered properly. You also get a little ad card with a map that shows you Cincinnati and Norwood, where that is, so you can find it. Don't use that map, it's not very detailed. It doesn't even tell you what routes or what. The jokers are just a face, looking kind of sly. And yeah, there's your back design, rider back. Which makes sense. The ace of spades is Factory 52 with the clock on it. The blue is color for the spade and the clubs with a modified face and pip. Fairly standard. Court cards are, yeah, they're interesting. There's just faces, hearts and diamonds you can see in gold, and there's a clock on the aces. And I believe the court cards are repetitive, which is, I don't know, kind of lazy in a way for USPC. Here are the eights. I apologize if you hear some noise in the background, just a dryer going off. Anyways, it's a Bicycle stock, Erica's and Finis. It's a nice enough design. I still don't understand limiting it so much when he originally released it. And it's not the first time even they've done this, but they've made it decks to celebrate this or that. They made it very difficult to obtain those decks. But yeah, overall, it's an interesting deck. It's nice enough. I will give it an A. A is fairly standard. The court cards are they're okay. They're not bad. They're different. But the top case is nice and everything. And yeah, comment, like, subscribe, let me know what you think. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.